Hey, everybody, and welcome back to Empowered, the podcast that's meant to give you quick, bite sized education so that you can win at this photography business thing and you can take everything in your life to the next level. So, today I want to talk about what happened to my business last month. And I just want to share it with you because it was so successful, so simple. And it's something that I know that you can implement right away to make a quick cash injection for your business, but also to grow your email list. So I decided that I wanted to have a quick $5,000 cash day, and I decided to offer a fine art mini session event. So, if you are new to me, I offer boutique school photography, and I needed to build that portfolio and film some content for the updated new schooled class. And so I decided to make it into a money making opportunity because, that's what I'm all about is growing and scaling this business. So I decided to do a fine art mini session day. And the way that we first did it was opened up 14 spots, sold those in an hour. And so then I opened up 5 more spots and was able 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 14, 4 more spots and was able to sell 18 total spots with 2 emails. So this was about $3,500 in sales on that initial launch. And then with upgrades, the total mini session event brought in just under $6,000. So, how did I do this? First, I announced that these mini sessions were going to be opening up in my Instagram stories. And I told everyone in that story that the only way they would be able to get a spot would be if they were on my email list because I expected it to sell out quickly. So, I used this as a list building opportunity. That one story, I posted one story, added 50 new email subscribers to my email list. So it was a simple step, but it built excitement before I even opened the bookings and was an opportunity to put new people on my email list. Once I knew my audience was ready and waiting, I kept the launch very simple. No complicated sales pages, just a clear announcement in an email to my email list and a link. So I sent one email to my client email list telling them about the one mini session day that I had, telling them that it was very limited spots and giving them a link to book. The email made it very easy to say yes. Why? Because I had a simple booking link. It linked directly to a calendar that got them into my software so that I could get paid immediately as well. So, booking and paying just took a couple of clicks, no back and forth, no delays. I priced each mini session spot at $195 per child. So even if they had 3 or 4 children, they had to pay $195 per child. So they paid for as many children as they planned to bring. This way, I was compensated fairly for the time and editing required. I did do sibling photos if there were families that came, and we did have a few families. And the bonus that they got for having multiple kids was that they didn't have to pay extra for those sibling photos. They just went into one of the galleries. So each booking included that one child and 5 digital images. They could pick digital images from that gallery. And so it gave families exactly what they wanted. And then I left room for upgrades. They were able to upgrade to the entire gallery for an additional $95. So it made it super simple for them to upgrade. It was like a no brainer price. So after that session, the session was done, we kept the offer upgrades very simple, so it was a no-brainer. We made it super easy for them to buy additional prints, which almost every single family did, which is what brought our sales up. And like I said, buying all the digitals was an additional fee, and most of them, almost all of them, did that actually. So that increased my profit without adding a lot of extra work for us. So within a day, I was able to book out 18 mini session spots. The demand was high, and I'm thinking about opening a second day next month because it was so profitable. So, all of this was done with a very simple strategy: growing my email list, letting people know that this offer was exclusive for my email list. So, one Instagram story, one email, a simple booking process, and that was it. Because it was simple, because it was a no brainer price, I was able to inject my business with just under $6,000 in cash for one day of work. You do not need to complicate this. You don't have to have a complicated marketing plan. You don't have to have a giant email list. So it was a really simple way to inject cash in my business and grow my portfolio for my school photography, because it's hard to market your school photography because you don't have a lot of model releases from schools. And so I got model releases from almost every family when I did this. So we'll go ahead and link in the show notes my fine art mini session class. I have a video for that. And I just wanted to share this really successful, simple strategy. If you are needing money, this is a great idea. If you're needing to grow your portfolio for school photography, if you're interested in that, this is an awesome way to do it. And it's just super simple. And I wanted to give you access to that. So if you have any questions, feel free to DM me on Instagram about it. Don't forget to watch that mini session class. And I can't wait to see if see you implement this in your business.